alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio. This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following. This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning Western Plumas, Shasta, Tehama, and Eastern Trinity. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Tehama, and Eastern Trinity. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. City today, sunny. Highs around 100. South winds up to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, clear. Lows 58 to 68. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs 97 to 103. South winds up to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Low 60 to 70. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Friday, sunny. Highs 88 to 102. Light winds.
There we go. Clear that one too. Sweet. Everybody activated today. See, look at that. Perfect activation.